If you've been looking for a simple way to introduce AI to your team without overwhelming them, we now offer business access to our beginner-friendly AI training. Most teams don't need advanced AI tools right away. They need a calm, shared starting point so everyone understands what AI is, how to use it responsibly, and where it actually helps in everyday work. To support that, we offer one core training program with two simple options for businesses. The first option is bulk access or team licensing. This gives your employees access to the same ready-to-use AI training. No setup required. Everyone starts from the same baseline. The content is non-technical and beginner-friendly, and you can track course completion across your team. The second option includes everything in bulk access with light customization and branding. Your logo is added, language can be adjusted for your audience, and examples are aligned with your workplace. So the training feels like an internal program, not something off the shelf. Since team sizes and needs vary, pricing depends on a few simple factors, so we don't list it publicly. If this looks useful, there's a short form below with a few quick questions, like team size and which option you're exploring. I'll review it personally and follow up by email with clear pricing and next steps. No sales calls, no pressure. Thank you for taking a look, and feel free to reach out if you have questions.